Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today for our junk journals, we're going to make journal toppers. But first, let's have our shout out to Dawn, Ethel, Juju, Bonnie, Begin, Vicky, Mary Lou, Move North Homestead. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, this is seriously simple, but it's so beautiful on a page. So what you want to do is get your cardstock. Now, I have some blue cardstock here. It's really pretty. And I also have some pink or peach cardstock as well. Now, what you want to do is you'll want to cut your cardstock to be 8 inches long. Now, the width can vary. You could have 3 inches, 2.5 inches, or 2 inches, the width. But your length needs to be 8 inches long. Then what I like to do is I like to get my corner rounder and I like to round the corners. So let's get that done real quick. Now this is just printed on one side and not the other. You could have it printed on both sides, but you'll probably want to have the side that's folded in be something you could journal on, something light. So let's go ahead and fold these in half. Just like that, fold them in half. Then we'll want to get our ink, and we'll want to ink all the way around, both inside and outside. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll continue. All right, so I have gone ahead and inked inside and out, and let's go ahead and use this wider one, and let's decorate it. So I have some lace here, and I think I would like to lay a little lace on here. Let's see, what else do I want? Do I like that lace or do I like this lace? Actually, I think I like this one a little better. And I like to go ahead and lay it over completely. So I'm just going to open this up and bring in my fabric tack and going to lay this lace on here. Now, when I do this, I'm going to talk about entering the giveaway that I have going on. So you'll want to go to the playlist if you have not entered already, because I have a prize that I'm giving away. So go to the playlist and you can see the picture. It's pretty big. Giveaway, enter to win, it says on the thumbnail. So I invite you all to enter. So I'm just going to lay that down just like that, so it's going all the way around. Now, what else do I think I would like to lay on here? I have some beautiful flowers. I have, oh, that one's really sweet, isn't it? That's very sweet. Like I said, this is very simple, but I find these to be absolutely awesome to put on a page in a journal. You can clip them on a page that you need to decorate and you just need something quick and easy, or if you need something held in place, you can use this little journal topper to hold it in place, and it's really, really pretty. So just looking for my ink right there. Just going to ink this real quick, and while I have it out, I'm going to go ahead and ink this flower. So there we go, all done. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some more fabric tack on this because I'm laying it on top of the lace, and this will assure me that it's going to stick. And then I might as well just, well, there's probably enough glue right there. It just glued itself. I didn't even have to add any more. And then Let's add this number, maybe right here. And then I think it needs a little bit of bling. And I think I'd like to lay the bling maybe right down there, like that. And I need to get a pin out, because I like to use a pin. Now, do I want silver, or do I want, well, I think I want this, pearls. So I'm just going to put a few right up in a line. Just like this. I have one that I have finished in the pink, and I can show you what it looks like. There's one last step that I like to do. Now, because these are 4 inches from the crease, they stay on the journaling page pretty well. They hook on that journaling page very nicely, like this. But just in case you don't feel secure with that, get yourself a little small paper clip, and then bring in just a strip of fabric. So this is probably going to be a little large, but it's okay. We can cut it if we need to. And I'm just going to tie a bow. A very simple little thing, but it really turns out so nice. I don't think it's long now after I get it going. I don't think it's long at all. Okay. Just pull it so it's nice and tight. I'm just going to trim it right here. And so what you'll want to do is you'll just want to clip that right on top, and so then it even sticks out of your journal. Isn't that cute? Now I made one here in the pink, right like that. Isn't that pretty? And just slip it right on your page. Put your paper clip on it. Oh, you guys, I told you they were super simple. And then look on the other side. They're so, so cute. You could decorate this side too if you'd want, because then that way you would have two pages decorated. And if you needed to attach something, you could just slip it right up in there and it would hold it. So it would do 2 things for you in your journal. You guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.